been absolutely joyous, and just to completely switch off from the world, to come here and just
be with like-minded people.
At one point I was crying of happiness. It was such a beautiful moment.
The workshops have been stunning.
Yeah.
Eye-opening, transformative.
Yeah.
Love.
The challenge is that there's too much cool stuff going on at the same time and you have to choose one only.
My favorite moment was the drum or the rhythm immersion workshop.
So what I liked the most is really like conscious spirit that permeates everything they did here, like from the program to the way they treated the artists, how they chose the artists, the workshop leaders.
The setting here is amazing, this open space with the lake and people, everyone is so relaxed and chill, kind of a community vibe, only good energies flowing around.
That's it, enough with the talking and let's start this journey.
Throughout, I could feel the soft energy and the intention for co-creation.
For me, it was also just the people. It seemed like in every corner there's someone so beautiful. Like not only from the outside, but more from the energy. I felt like every single person would bring special energy and their gift.
So my experience in one word here would be freedom.
Good vibes, I think.
Happiness. The word is awesome. That's it.
Growth?
I think it's like a little precious jewel.
Yeah, and I think this is just the beginning, I can't wait for next year.
I've loved it. I'm coming back next year, without a doubt.
Yeah, it's beautiful.